guys.
Mommy bought me 2 eggs.
Daddy bought you 2 eggs.
She's making a video. Show the small egg. And the big one? What is the big one? Show the camera. Dory? Look. You can see on the camera.
Mama, are you open now?
Which one do you want to open first?
Dory.
Okay.
I open.
Okay.
Use your teeth. You're gonna break.
Let me see.
Did you keep all his eggs? No, before birthday.
Can you help?
No.
Okay.
You need help?
Daddy, give it to Dad. He has muscles.
Here.
He has a sticker right here.
Oh.
That's why she couldn't take it out. Okay, open it.
Chắc có mà ai nè tia
have to show the
the few
camera.
best for cái mà cho đến next week.
You have to show the camera.
Next week tay nhau đâu? Next week then chịu bé tay mình đâu?
What did you get? Show the camera.
Oh, drop us right there.
My.
Dad was just kidding. Look, don't cry. You're on video.
Be nice, you're on video.
Uh-oh. That's a.
Okay. Look, we can do it again. Here. It's okay. It's okay. Here. Okay. Show the camera what you got. Show the camera what you got.
you got?
You got Dory. What is this now? Show.
Chili.
What is that? What is that? Jelly bean. Jelly bean. Put it next to each other. How about that one? Sour candy, huh? Show the camera. What is?
Awesome.
How many did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Okay.
กระป๋อจังก็สินะขนมเราโอ้หนึ่งกระป๋อเอามันนั่งไง
Oh,
อ่ะ
mà cái này anh chị hay cái
More jelly.
nằm cái nhà anh chị biết phải gì
Mama, just too long.
anh chị hay cái món xong rồi anh chị không để anh chị chơi
โอ้มาไปน้อง
What does it need it for? You just got paid.
có anh này là cái
No, Mona needs it for
nè thì sẽ đẹp một món nữa chị thế
mới có được sao có không bây giờ mình mà cái xin này cái to cái thà nó chỉ nó thì mình chỉ tà
dạ nè thì nó mới vô đào phải mình những chơi này
ồ
move Jaden out.
chị bỏ
Think they're gonna move out.
dạ why
What did you get? What is that?
why are they gonna move out when
Peanut
I can't
butter.
afford it.
really
It's $700 or $800 month.
Peanut butter, mommy.
Peanut butter? Can I have one?
This one?
Thank you. How about that?
Please do the new.
Okay. Can Daddy have jelly bean?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you done your video?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye. See you guys next time.
Bye.
See you guys next time.
See you guys next time.